Welcome back, weavers. So it's day 11 of our 30-day wave journey, and today we are going to be doing our Ocean style method again. Let's go. So let's get to it. So we want to scramble wash. And then tangle it with a small comb. So you add a little bit more shampoo. And you get in your washing session. Make sure there's enough lather before you get started. So we're done with the brushing session. We want to wrap up with the shampoo still on our hair. Make sure you have enough lather on your hair before putting the durag on. Enough lather. You can add more shampoo if you don't have enough lather. And now I want to wash out the shampoo.